Okay, everybody. Now let's take a look at HSK Standard Course 2, the book 2. Comparing with book 1, I think book 2 has definitely a very small jump in the difficulty of the grammar points or the vocabulary, and that's why I'm here to help you to learn it better. And hope you will spend enough time for it. Anyway, now let's look at page 1, I think. Page 2. Is it page 2? Page 2 of the book 1. You will be looking at lesson 1, the first conversation. All right, and this conversation happens in the school. So in Chinese, we 在学校. Right, A starts with 我要去北京旅游。北京, no problem. 去北京, go to Beijing, to travel, 旅游. And 旅, this is Lu with two dots. When you type 旅游, these two characters, you don't type Luyou, you type LV, like excuse me, LVYOU. See, now that's 旅游. Right, now let's go back. 要 means would like, and 要 means want to, would like to, am going to. It's one of those meanings depending on the context, really. So it's a bit confusing, I know, but I think for now, just try to translate that into I want to, as 要 is to want. 你觉得 you feel, you think, you feel, your opinion is 什么时候去最好？去 it means go, but in this sentence it means going because it is used as a subject. Going is the best. When to go is the best. So when to go in this sentence is used as a noun, as a thing, right? So 最好 means the most good. 最 most and 好 good. B says 9月去北京旅游最好. Well, the subject is quite long. It's this. 9月去北京旅游. Travel. Where? 去北京旅游. When? 9月去北京旅游. A perfect example of time before location before action. Right? So this is altogether as one thing. Traveling to Beijing in September is the best. Of course, is. The word is omitted because 最好 is an adjective. A says 为什么? Why? For what? 什么 means what? B says 9月的北京. Alright. Beijing is a place. 9月 is a time. Time plus the possessive is the structure that time in here is used as sort of adjective. What kind of Beijing? Is September's Beijing. You might have that in English. I think in Old English as well, right? People say September's Beijing, summer's Beijing. Okay, or the year 2016's Beijing. Okay, 2016年的北京. Right. So time can be used as an adjective. An adjective plus the plus a thing, an object, is a structure that you should remember. And okay, what so 9月的北京 how? Right? It's 天气不冷也不热. Okay, and I would treat this phrase as a very long adjective. Weather not cold, also not hot. 不冷也不热. Right? Oh, this 天气 actually doesn't have to be there, really. You say 9月的北京不冷也不热. It works perfectly well. Now, let's move down to look at conversation number 2, which is slightly easier. A says, 你喜欢什么运动? You 喜欢 to like, remember this, 不喜欢 or you say 很喜欢 very like, which means like very much, or here 最喜欢 most like means like something the most. 什么运动 when you find 什么 before an object or a concept or a noun, it means what kind of this thing. 什么人 what kind of people. 什么车 what kind of car or what kind of vehicle. 我最喜欢踢足球. T is to kick. 足球 football. To kick football is to play football. I most like playing football. 下午 time. First, 我们一起 together 去踢足球吧. Together goes before, as a verb, it's an adverb. It goes before the action. 去踢 go to play 足球 football 吧 is the suggestion. It means let's. I suggest we should. 好 is an exclamation mark. After 好 means good. So that's what it means, really. All right, now let's take a look at the third conversation. It happens at home. 在家里. Okay, 里 inside, in, 家 family, home. A starts with 我们要不要买几个新的椅子? Okay. First of all, 我们要不要 verb, 不 verb. That is another structure to emphasize on the yes or no question. We can use ma at the end of the sentence, or we can repeat the verb and then insert 不 between them, like 吃不吃 eat or not eat. 喜欢不喜欢 like or not like. Okay. 买 to buy 几个 several. I know 几个 could mean how many when the answer of the question is less than 20 or 15-ish, like 你几岁 when you look at a little young person, the 你几岁. But in this sentence, there's already a yes or no question, so 几 function is to mean several. So 几 has two meanings: A, how many; B, several. Several 新的椅子. You can also say 新椅子. When the adjective is quite simple, the can be omitted. But when the adjective is complicated, like more like 漂亮, right? Two syllables, so the is more likely to be kept there. So 新的椅子 is 新椅子 new chairs. B says 好啊 good, great, or grand, really. 什么时候去买 when go buy. When go buy. When do you go buy? 什么时候你去买 or 你什么时候 or 我们 sorry, we what time go buy. 我们什么时候 go buy. He says 明天下午 there's a time tomorrow afternoon 怎么样? Whatever happens before 怎么样 if it's a one thing, one concept, it means how about this thing? 你怎么样? How about you? 而你的汉语怎么样? How about your Chinese? And then he continues to ask 你明天几点能回来? 回来 is to go back or come back. 能 be able to, can. 几点几点 doesn't mean several o'clock here. It means how many o'clock, which means what time. So you tomorrow, 你明天几点能回来? What time can you come back tomorrow? And B says 3点多 When 多 is found after a digit, it usually means a little bit more than this digit, right? But less than next digit. So 3点多 is a little bit more than 3, a little bit less than 4, between 3 and 4. So 3-ish. Okay. Now, the fourth conversation is also happens at home, 在家里. And A says, 桌子下面桌子 table 下面 the location. A thing plus location, we learned that before, is a way in Chinese to mean the position of something, right? So 桌子下面, or you can say 桌子的下面, the table's below area. 下面 means below area. 有 there is or there are. There is a cat, not has a cat. Well, if you think of it. Think of it as it has a cat. That's okay too. 个 measure word, or you say 只 is another word for 猫. B says 那是我的猫. That is my cat. 那是我的猫, right? 它叫花花. 花 on its own means flower. Here is used as a name, reputation of a character. That a repetition of a character in Chinese sounds pretty cute, or pretty sounds like you're pretty close with this person, like the word Jack or Jackie, sounds cuter. And then A says 她很漂亮. 她, remember this 她 is not female or male, it's just the it. B says 是啊, yeah. 我觉得她的眼睛最漂亮. Some of you might find this sentence a bit strange. I feel 我觉得她的 its eyes 眼睛 is the most beautiful. So comparing with his ears or with his paws or tails, I find his eyes is the most beautiful part. Yeah, that's what B is trying to say. A says 他多大了? Le is here to smooth the tone, so it doesn't really mean anything. And 多大 means how old. B says 6个多月. Again, we find a 多 after digit, so it's definitely a little bit more than this digit and less than the next, which is next. 7 is the next, so a little bit more than, so 6 plus months, but less than 7 months. Okay, but remember, pay attention to how the measure word is used. You don't say 6多个月, that's weird. So 6个, right? 6, and then more, 多月. Okay, all right. So that's number 4, conversation number 4 of book lesson 1. Hope you have a good time enjoying the first lesson of book 2. Okay, so long for now. I'll talk to you later.